Number 10, it says the discriminant value is a negative 56 and we want to know, hey, what does that mean the graph looks like? Well, if it's a negative in the quadratic formula, the discriminant value, if you remember negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If this value is negative, there's no solutions. What that means, no solutions, is it never crosses the x-axis. There's only three things that can happen. It can never cross, which is this case, which we would choose then C doesn't cross the x-axis. So that's the answer for number 10. So we could have that. It could cross in two spots, right? That would be, hey, if you end up with a positive in the square root in that discriminant piece. And the other option is maybe it comes and just touches in one spot and goes away. Okay, that would be as if the discriminant value was a 0. So let's look at number 11. Discriminant value is a 0. That means it simply comes, touches in one spot, and goes away. There's only one solution when the discriminant is a 0, because in that quadratic formula, you might have like negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 0 over 2. Well, adding 0 and subtracting 0, you're going to get the same thing. So you're going to get one solution, which is where it hits right there. So it only crosses in one spot. So the answer here is B for number 11. For number 12, discriminant value was a 1. That means it was a positive, right? So you ended up with two solutions that got crossed in two spots because you ended up with two solutions. So it crosses in two spots for number 12. Number 13, the discriminant value was a negative. Ooh, it's negative. We couldn't do the problem. That means it's something like this. It never crosses because there is no solution. So it never crosses. C for number 13. Number 14, it's a positive number. So you have like negative b plus or minus the square root. It says 18 over 2. You can end up with two solutions. That means the graph is crossing in two spots. Choice A for number 14. And number 15, the discriminant value is 0. That means there's one solution. It came down, it hit, and it moved right back up. It's crossing in one spot for number 15.